consecutive amplitudes. Okay, these are the things they are. These are the things they already asked. Okay, mass only is given, stiffness only is three data are given here. Okay, the first thing is called mass. Mass is given as 8 kg. Okay, and second one is called stiffness 5.4 Newton per mm. That's converted into 5,400 Newton meter. Okay, and third one is called damping coefficient given as 40 Newton per meter per second. Okay, these are three data will be given here. Okay, first thing you want to find out that CC, critical damping coefficient. Okay, CC is called critical damping coefficient. 2 into m into omega n. 2 into m into omega 1. This is the formula for a critical damping coefficient. The omega n is not directly given, so we can read it as a square root of s by m. That's the thing, it will be done here. Okay, 2 into m into square root of s by m. Okay, 2 into 8 into square root of 5,400 divided by m equal to 8. Okay, put together we get the value of cc equal to 416 Newton per meter per second. Okay, that's the value we got it. Okay, first thing. And second one is called a damping factor. Damping factor, the symbol is eta for you. Okay, eta is a symbol for a damping factor, that is c by cc. C by cc there. Yeah, for this c by cc, 40 is a C already it's given, and the CC value just we find out that is 416. Okay, damping factor is 0.096. Okay, almost this value, the damping factor value. Okay, this eta value it's almost nearer to 1. Okay, that's a unreasonable one. Okay, it's around 1. That's a value. Okay, and next we just go through this. Just go through the slide for a moment, and then we move on to the next slide then. Listen, students, tomorrow onwards, you have a performance enhancement class. Those who are failure and absentees for your MCQs, you have a classes, okay, for all subjects. From tomorrow onwards, the schedule will be shared by your class in charge shortly.
சார்
சொல்லுமா
சார் இப்போ போடுறீங்களா சார் அந்த டேம்பிங் சம்லாம் அதோட எக்ஸாம்பிள் நம்பர் புக்ல தேடினேன் சார் கிடைக்கல சார்
புக்ல
கேவலம்
நம்பர் ஒரே
சாப்டர் நம்பர் சொன்னீங்கன்னா சைட் பை சைட் பார்த்து
Chapter number 23. Surya.
ஓகே சார்.
Chapter number 22 எடுத்து பாருமா.
சரிங்க சார்.
Page number 944.
Thank you.
Okay. Example number 23.12. Okay, next I move on to the next step. Okay, third one is called logarithmic decrement. Okay, logarithmic decrement, del equal to 2 pi c divided by square root of cc square minus c square. Okay, this is general formula for non-logarithmic decrement. We already seen that two formulas for non-logarithmic decrement. This is a third formula for that. Okay, you can use based on the wherever the data will be available. Based on the data, you want to choose that formula. Okay, 2 pi c square root of cc square minus c square. Okay, that the value is 0.6. And next one is called logarithmic decrement, ratio of two consecutive amplitudes. Okay, ஸோ கான்சிக்யூட்டிவ் ஆம்ப்ளிடியூட்ஸோட ரேஷியோ என்னன்னு கேட்குறாங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ நமக்கு லாஸ்ட் சம்ல பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 4 ஆசிலேஷன்ஸ் 5 ஆசிலேஷன்ஸ் அந்த மாதிரி சம் கொடுத்துருந்தாங்க. ஸோ அந்த இடத்துல எக்ஸ் நாட் பை எக்ஸ்என் பை எக்ஸ் நாட் அப்படின்ற மாதிரி எடுத்திருப்போம், இல்லை எக்ஸ்என் டிவைடட் பை xn plus 1 அப்படின்ற மாதிரி எடுத்திருப்போம். ஸோ அந்த டேட்டா வச்சு சால்வ் பண்ணுங்க. e equal to e to the power of del, that is equal to value. Okay, e to the power of del equal to 0.6. We already find out e equal to 2.7 நமக்கு தெரியும். 2.7 to the power of 0.6, that's the value is 1.82. It's the value of ratio of two consecutive amplitudes. No need of that n value. Okay, n value லாம் இங்க தேவையில்லை. n value லாம் நமக்கு கேட்கல. உங்களுக்கு ஏதோ ரெண்டு கன்சிக்யூட்டிவ் ஆம்ப்ளிடியூட்ஸோட டேட்டாஸ் தான் நம்மளுக்கு கேட்குறாங்க. ஓகே, தேர் இஸ் நோ நீட் ஆஃப் an n value. n value மீன்ஸ் தேர்ட் சைக்கிளா இல்லை ஃபோர்த் சைக்கிளா ஃபிஃப்த் சைக்கிளா அது மாதிரி டேட்டாஸ் வந்தால் தான் நம்மளுக்கு அதை யூஸ் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, தேர் இஸ் நோ நீட் ஆஃப் that டேட்டாஸ் ஹியர். ஓகே, just go through this sum again for a moment and then we move on to the next step. I move on to the next slide now. The next one, I move on to the next sum now. This is a next sum. Okay, the mass of the single degree damped vibrating system is 7.5 kg. Okay, I think it's a next sum in a book also. Okay, 7.5 kg and makes 24 oscillation in 14 seconds. Okay, 24 oscillation in 14 seconds. When distributed from its equilibrium position, the amplitude of vibration reduces to 0.25 of its initial value after 5 oscillations. Determine number 1, stiffness of the spring, number 2, logarithmic decrement, number 3, damping factor, the ratio of the system damping to critical damping. Okay, damping factor நமக்கு தெரியும் ஏற்கனவே, அது டெஃபினிஷன் இங்க क्वेश्चनலே கொடுத்திருக்காங்க உங்களுக்கு. Okay, it's not a issue there. Okay, so damping factor means is nothing but of C by Cc. That's the same thing, it will be given here. Okay, the first one, mass will be given as 7.5 kg, like taken into account, and next one is 24 oscillation in 14 seconds. Okay, they given the frequency value indirectly. Okay, it's not directly given, so the frequency value in terms of indirectly given. Okay, because 24 divided by 14 is called frequency. Okay, 24 oscillation divided by timer. Okay, நம்ம என்ன எடுத்துப்போம், omega n divided by tp, f1 equal to omega divided by t. Okay, that's omega 24 oscillation divided by t order value 14 seconds. Okay, put together that is 1.7. Okay, that's the thing, it will be given there. And next one is called omega n equal to 2 pi f1. Okay, 2 pi f1. Okay, that's the thing, it will be given. Next one, stiffness of the spring you want to find out. Stiffness is nothing but of omega n equal to square root of s by m. Square root of s by m. So square root will be comes out from the equation omega n square equal to s by m. So you need a calculation for find out the stiffness here. Okay, so take out the s value. So omega n square into m value. Okay, that is 10.7 square, 10.7 square into 7.5, that is 860 Newton meter. 860 Newton per meter. That is stiffness of the spring. And next one is called logarithmic decrement. They given the value as an 0.25 of the initial value after 5 oscillations. They given the data as like that. 0.25 of its initial value after 5 oscillations. Like that it will be given. Okay, so x1 divided by x6. That's the thing, it will be written here. After 5 oscillation, x6 in the x1 initial amplitude, and after 5 oscillation of x6 value. x6 equal to 0.25 of x1. அதான் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க நம்மளுக்கு. ஸோ x1 by x6 எப்படி எழுதியிருக்கேன்னா பிரிச்சு எழுதியிருப்பீங்க. It will be elaborately written. x1 by x2, x2 by x3, and that will be and then x1 by x2 to the power of 5. Okay, x1 by x2 to the power of 5. So x1 by x2 equal to, that is x1 by x6 to the power of 1 by 5. Okay, so x6 is already given, there is a 0.25 of x1 there. So x1 divided by 0.25 of x1 to the power of 1 by 5. Okay, that's the value is 1.32. 1.32 is the x1 by x2 kind of value. So put the 1.32 in the equation. So log E of 1.32. Okay, that is 0.28. Okay, sum இது மாதிரி தான் வரும். இதுக்கு முன்னாடி பின்னாடிலாம் ஒரு 2-3 sums இருக்கு. Please go through the sums. Same as like this only. The same set of formulas will be used, but the solving method only is different. Okay, equations and the formulas, all these things will be the same only. Okay, our next one is called logarithmic decrement. Del equal to another formula. Del equal to del will be directly given here. That is 0.28. So formula is a into 2 pi square root of omega n square minus a square. Omega n square minus a square. Squaring on both sides, we get the a value there. So a will be, you want to find out the damping factor. So a, you want to find out the a value, amplitudes. Okay, amplitude once you find out, then we can find out the c value and cc value easily here. Okay, for that you want to find out the a. Instead of a, all the values are known value. Okay, so a value is 0.476. So a equal to c by 2m. Again, c equal to, for that is c equal to a into 2m. You get the value of 7.2 Newton per meter per second. Okay, that's the value. And c is equal to, based on the formula, 2 into m into omega n. That is 160.5 Newton per meter per second. You need the value of damping factor only, that is c by cc. C is 7.2 and cc equal to 160. Put together, that is 0.045. I already told the damping factor value, it's near to 1 or that value only. Okay, nearer to 1. Okay, or less than 1 or equal to 1. Like that only it will become, not more than that. Okay, 748, 848 okay. Pointல வரும், இல்ல 1 வரும், இல்ல 1.5, 1.2 அந்த ரேஞ்சில் தான் இருக்கும். மேல போகவே போகாது. Okay, you can check it, these things. Okay, just go through the sum once again from the first from the beginning of the sum. I move on to the next slide now. Yeah, okay. Or you go through. Anyone can answer? Or you go through this? It's clear now for you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Same model of sum. So many models of sum. It will be available in a book. Please go through the book also. I think 3 or 4 sums. Same model. It will be available in a book also. Okay. I think that I missed that 3 or 4 sums only now. Okay, you can go through that also in a book through your book. Okay, it will be very easier for you. Up to this, a third unit, first half is the over. Okay, first half of the third unit is over. Okay, so first half of that third unit, and second half it will be deals about fully about that torsional vibration. Torsional vibration. We already seen about the introduction about the torsional vibration. What is in torsional vibration? All these things. Okay, you have any doubts or any clarification needed up to this half of the first third unit? Any clarification needed for you, students? Are you very clear about the third unit? Do you have any queries or questions asked now?
Sir,
Yeah,
சார் ஃபைனலாக கேளுங்க
சொல்லுங்க.
சார், ரெக்கார்டிங் செஷன் முடிஞ்சு சொல்கிறேன்.
சரி, okay. Sure, okay. Then I go for the questions. Question ask now. Hemant Kumar. Hemant Kumar M. இல்ல லைன்ல இல்ல.
Yes, sir.
Karthik P. ஹேமந்த் எங்க போயிட்டீங்களா வெளியே?
சொல்லுங்க சார்.
சரி, லாகரிதமிக் டிக்ரிமெண்ட்டுக்கு இந்த ஸ்கிரீன்ல ஒரு ஃபார்முலா இருக்கு. இது இல்லாம ஒரு ஃபார்முலா உனக்கு ஏற்கனவே சொல்லியிருக்கேன். வாட் இஸ் தட் ஃபார்முலா?
1 minute சார்.
நோட் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க. இதுக்காக தான் நோட் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்கன்னு சொல்றேன் எல்லாரையும். There's one more formula for
2 pi c by
சரி, நெக்ஸ்ட் மோகன்ராஜ். Mohanraj, are you there? Mohanraj? இல்ல. முகேஷ். டி முகேஷ். D Mukesh, are you there in line? Yeah, chat boxல மெசேஜ் பண்றீங்க, ஏன் பேச மாட்டீங்களா, மைக் இல்லைன்னு நீங்க கேட்டா. சரி, ஓகே. வாட் இஸ் த ஃபார்முலா ஃபார் an frequency Fn? What is the formula for a frequency Fn? What is the formula? So okay, go through the slides once again. ஒரு வருஷமா நான் உனக்கு ஸ்லைடு வச்சுக்கிட்டே வரேன். நேற்று கிளாஸ்ல இருந்து வந்த சம்ஸ்லாம். Okay, just go through the slides. If you have any doubts about the problems, you can ask, raise the questions now. Move on to the next slide. Just go through the slides because it's a problem. Already I explained about the problem clearly. If you have any doubts, you can raise the question now about these problems. But go through the formulas also. After the slides, I asked the question about the formulas. Move on to the next sum. Let's go through the sums. Yeah, just go through the slides because I repeatedly asking the questions and there's no one is answering the questions. For that only I'm spending the time to give the formulas time. Just go through. Don't simply sitting as idle there. Suresh sir. Suresh sir. Yeah, okay, students. Now I'm also questions. Okay. Mukesh, உங்கள்கிட்ட தான் விட்டு லாஸ்டா. What is by what is the formula for eta? What is the formula for eta? Sanjay R. Sanjay R, what is the formula for eta? What is by eta first of all? So okay, anyone can answer? What is by eta and what is the formula for an eta? Any one of them? Any one of them? Nama? Kamaraj, background voice noisy இருக்கு. Background கொஞ்சம் noisy இருக்கு. Just move aside from that.
Damping factor eta sir.
Eta equal to damping factor.
Yes sir.
Okay. What is the formula for that? காமராஜ் அங்கிருந்து கொஞ்சம் மூவ் பண்ணிட்டு பேசு. நாய்ஸியா இருக்கு அந்த ஏரியா உனக்கு. பேக்ரவுண்ட் நாய்ஸியா இருக்கு.
Sir, S equal to...
Yeah, tell me, man.
Clear ஆகுது.
Yeah,
S equal to 2 pi eta divided by root of 1 minus eta square.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, Kamaraj. Next, Gautam S. What is another formula for damping factor? Damping factor formula. சரி, ஃபார்முலாஸ்லாம் இதுலயே இருக்கு பாருங்க. இந்த டேம்பிங் ஃபேக்டர் இந்த ஸ்கிரீன்லயே இருக்கு பாருங்க. C by Cc. Okay, damper divided by critical damping. Okay, damper divided by critical damping is called damping factor. That is called eta. Okay, so eta oda values enna sollirken nanu. Eta oda values it will be near about to 1. Okay, it's less than 1 or around near about to 1. Okay, maximum value is 1.5. That is a value it will be getting for a damping factor. Okay, not more than that. Okay, are you clear about this? Okay, up to this is an third unit first half is over already. I told that. Okay, next we move on to an torsional vibration. Okay, and this is called torsional vibration. In this torsional vibration, we are going to see about that. What is meant by torsional vibration and some of the slides based on that. Okay. Students, listen here. Okay, some of the slides based on the torsional vibration now. Yeah, torsional vibration is nothing but of torque. Okay, torque is called a torsional vibration. In this torsional vibration, we are going to see about that. What is meant by torsional vibration, how it will be happens, and what are the solving methods to find out the torsional vibration. That's the thing we are going to see in a torsional vibration problems. Okay. Just I already given an introduction about the vibration. On the time itself, I given that what is meant by torsional vibration for you. Okay. Hey, wait a moment, I'm opening the slides.
Good morning, guys. உங்களுக்கு already பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பர்னி சார் already sir informed about your special class schedule and all those details will be shared to your mail ID as well as in your WhatsApp group through your class in charge very shortly. This is the thing already has been communicated to you over the public domain. See, those who got failure in your failed in your that MCQ assessment test, those and the absentees, those people are mandatorily has to attend the consecutive classes in the forthcoming days. Those details will be shared to you very shortly. Okay, அம்மா மறக்காம கொஞ்சம் அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க ராஜா. ஏன்னா இப்போ as myself and Barney Kumar sir has already disclosed with you, this fourth portfolios alone will be playing the major role. உங்களுக்கு நல்லாவே தெரியும் அட்டெண்டன்ஸு, அதுக்கப்புறம் இந்த மார்க்ஸ் விச் ஆர் ஸ்கோரிங் இன் எம்சிக்யூ, அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து அசைன்மெண்ட்ஸு, அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஃபாலோயிங் த இன்டர்னல் அசஸ்மெண்ட் டெஸ்ட். இந்த 4 ஃபேக்டர் தான் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இட் பிளேஸ் த மேஜர் ரோல் அண்ட் இட் வில் ஹேவ் த வெரி குட் it will have the impact on your this semester the entire portfolio. So that is why those who failed and absent physical absent in your the MCQ test, those people are compulsory and mandatorily must attend the consecutive classes which will be shared to you over the WhatsApp group through your class in charge. Okay, மறக்காம அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க ராஜா, இல்லைன்னா உங்களுக்கு மார்க்ஸ் போயிடும் ராஜா. ஏன்னா வாட் எவர் த திங் விச் வி ஆர் டெல்லிங் யூ ஓவர் திஸ் பப்ளிக் டொமைன் இஸ் கம்ப்ளீட்லி ஃபார் த சேக் ஆஃப் யுவர் பெனிஃபிஷியல். ஓகேவா? இப்போ நீங்கள் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு 10:30 the class supposed to be started, but we are in the online mode. We were completely waiting for your joining in that WhatsApp group. But நீங்க வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா instead of 10:30 just your people are coming 10:35, 10:40 and 10:45. So just try to avoid such things, ma. It's humble request to all your guys. Your people are mature people. You know very well what's the present situation, what's our future. உங்களுக்கு நாங்க வந்து எதுவும் சொல்லி நீங்க தெரியணும்னு உங்களுக்கு கிடையாது. You know everything with your vote. உங்களுக்கு எல்லாமே தெரியும் இல்லைங்களா? அதனால just try to understand the situation. See, just we are keep on telling the same thing again and again, but still most of them are completely on the track. We are not pointing out those people. See, 90% of the students are completely on the track. You are completely obedient. You are whatever the instruction which we are giving out in your public domain, you are keep following all those instructions. I am very much we are very much thankful to those students, but very few. ஓகேங்களா, just ஒரு 5 to 10% of the students just still you are not completely understanding the present situation and the scenario which is happening. See, the Anna University itself completely given the instruction to all the affiliated colleges that see, this month onwards all the things should be communicated to the students community through the online. Your peoples might aware of that. You might have seen all those information in your over your mail ID or you are in the WhatsApp group or something in the digital media. But still 5 to 10% of the students are still lagging and they are not coming forward and they are not going to learn. They are not coming forward and they are not letting them to learn the new things. ஸோ அவங்களால வந்து மற்றவங்க அஃபெக்ட் ஆகக்கூடாது. புரியுதுங்களா ராஜா? அதனால ஜஸ்ட் ட்ரை டு இந்த சுச்சுவேஷன் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிட்டு கொஞ்சம் வாங்க. இப்போ உங்களுக்கு 13th 14th வந்து யூ ஹேவ் த ஸ்பெஷல் கிளாஸ். அந்த ஸ்பெஷல் கிளாஸ் வித்தவுட் எனி ஹெசிடேஷன். இப்போ நாங்கள் உங்களுக்கு டோன்ட் எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் தட் ஈச் அண்ட் எவ்ரி டே we staff members will keep just ping the message to your WhatsApp groups or just make a call to your father or yourself. Don't expect such a that mannerism or the such kind of the behaviorism from our side. உங்களுக்கே எல்லாமே தெரியும். ஜஸ்ட் ஒரு கீப் த அலாரம், ஒரு எழுந்துட்டு டக்குன்னு வந்து just keep attend the classes and whenever we used to call the people, so just be attentive. உங்களுக்கு கேட்கறதுல வந்து இப்போ திடீர்னு just we are calling someone else to come forward and give some sort of answer during our explanation. Just keeping your mouth shut and you are not unmute the mic and you are not coming forward to say your answers. These are all the people, these are all the attitudes from your side. It's really paining us. எங்களுக்கு வலிக்கிற மாதிரி just it's completely paining us. So just try to understand the thing. கூப்பிடும் போது just see, we are not first time we are saying such a thing. Neither it may be right nor wrong. You need not worry about that, guys. நீங்க அதை பத்தி worry பண்ணவே தேவையில்லை. Just come forward and say the answers. ஏன்னா தமிழ்ல ஒரு பழமொழி இருக்குது இல்லையா, அழுவுற குழந்தை தான் வந்து பால் குடிக்க முடியும் இல்லையா, அழுகாமையே கம்முன்னே இருந்தா அதுக்கு பாலே கிடைக்காது. ஜஸ்ட் அப்படியே ஒரு ட்ரஸ்ட் ஆகி ஒரு என்ன ஆயிடும் ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா அந்த குழந்தை it has to come across some other the unwanted situation. அது மாதிரி நீங்க just come forward. See, whenever we are asking the students to come for some sort of debate, only few students are coming just coming forward and they are just started to discussing their views or perspective towards the questions which you are posting in your the Google Classroom. இந்த மாதிரி ஆட்டிடியூட் எல்லாருக்கிட்டையும் நாங்கள் எதிர்பார்க்குறோம். புரியுதுங்களா? அதனால just understand the situation, guys. Okay with this just
one more thing I want to clarify. Hello.
Yes sir Barney sir.
Sir, இப்போ நீங்க எல்லாம் பிஇசி கிளாஸ்லாம் கரெக்டா ஷெடியூல் அட்டென்ட் பண்ணிருந்து எக்ஸாம்லாம் கரெக்டா அட்டென்ட் பண்ணியிருந்தா இந்த பிஇசி ஷெடியூலே நாங்க போட்டிருக்க மாட்டோம். இப்போ ஓகே, நிறைய ஃபெயிலியர்ஸ் நிறைய ஆப்சென்டீஸ் வரவே தான் இப்போ இந்த பிஇசி ஷெடியூல் உங்களுக்கு வந்திருக்கு. Okay,
sir rightly pointed out of 80 students, nearly 47 of them have got failed. Okay, because of them only you have been forced to go
for a single subject. For almost all the subjects, more than 50% of the failures. So that's the thing for a PEC classes for you. Okay, performance enhancement class. Okay, இது நீங்க கரெக்டா அட்டென்ட் பண்ணிருந்தீங்க, எல்லாருமே நல்லா பாஸ் பண்ணிருந்தீங்கன்னா இந்த பிஇசி ஷெட்யூலே வந்திருக்காது உங்களுக்கு. Look at the second year's strength la less than 5 students in each and every class. நான் வேற என்ன சொல்றதுன்னு தெரியல. இதுதான் ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள். நான் வேற எதுவும் சொல்றது இல்ல.
Okay guys, this still we don't want to disappoint your the pleasant day. Okay, just be attentive for the next session. Thank you, ma. Thank you.
Thank you, students.
சார்
Yes, Surya.
சார் சஜஷன்ஸ் கேட்டிருந்தாங்க நான் லாஸ்ட்டாக சொல்கிறேன் ரெக்கார்டிங்